Dear ladies and gentlemen, this video is about removing the ransomware called GonaCry. GonaCry is the ransomware that we discovered while researching new submissions to the virus total database. However, this video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware, and I'll give you instructions on how to avoid this ransomware. Definitely before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any troubles. Unfortunately, this GonaCry ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, so then people realize that they cannot use their files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. The ransomware, after the file encryption is successful, tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. The ransomware, called GonaCry, appends this random extension to the file names. It is different for each specific file. As you see, the ransomware also changes the desktop background into this white one, and it also drops another ransom note called readit.txt. You should not pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that your files will be restored if you pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. What we recommend you to do is immediately remove this particular ransomware, and to remove it, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and especially their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by the ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then after it gets successfully installed, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Most likely, the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course essential for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect the files from further ransomware attacks. So, consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for protecting your data.